Hi everyone! In this video, we will walk you through the steps to effectively use the Audit Trail feature, allowing you to track and monitor important activities within your Orange HRM system. To begin, first, log into your Orange HRM admin account. Once logged in, from the dashboard, navigate to HR Administration and click on More. Now click on Audit Trail. Here you will find the Audit Trail page, which provides you with a comprehensive view of all the activities performed within your Orange HRM system. You can add filters to the view. By default, it shows all the actions taken place in the Employee Management module. If you wish to view another module, you can do so by choosing the module here and defining a specific section here. If you wish to search by the employees who were affected by any changes made, you can do so by adding the employee's name. Here you can see all the details of the actions, including the date and time, action owner, action, employee, section, and the action description. You can also sort the columns by clicking here. By reviewing these logs, you can gain insights into who performed the action, when it occurred, and which module was affected. This is particularly useful for monitoring user activities, troubleshooting issues, and ensuring data integrity. It is also possible to export the data available in the Audit Trail. Click on the Filter option, and here you will see an option to export the data. Once you hit the Export button, a CSV file will be downloaded to your device. And that is how you can effectively use the Audit Trail feature in Orange HRM. By leveraging this powerful tool, you can easily track and monitor important activities within your HR system, ensuring data transparency and accountability. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any further questions, please contact us at info@orangehrm.com or visit our website at www.orangehrm.com.